JDCap 26 here. Just do the tips and fairs and hobbies. And we've got the Leatherman Titanium here. Yeah, it's in a leather case, which I don't think you can get the leather case anymore. It's got the nice leather embossed logo of Leatherman. And on the back, it's got the belt loops. And the belt loops go this way for your belt, right there. And you can also put it on this way for if you have a harness, wearing a harness of a backpack. And let's open it up. Snap closer. And let's take the tool out. Get right into the tool. Okay, here's the tool. And it's got a knife on one side, and that's to cut and whittle like wood and things like that. And it's got a liner lock, which you push in to close. And let's go to another tool. It's got a very sharp saw to cut wood. You need to cut a piece of wood or a branch. And that's also got a liner lock. You push in. And we go on the opposite side. Okay. And it's got this tool. This tool is a very sharp rope cutter. It'll cut rope like there's no tomorrow. And it's also got a hook, sort of like a gut hook, if you were skinning something, if you're a hunter. So it's a very sharp tool. And the last, I would say, tool is a nice diamond file. It's got a file on one side, it's got diamond on the other side. A fine diamond on the other side. And it's got the liner lock. They all have liner locks. So let's open the tool up. And not too bad to open. It's hard to close. There's your wire cutters in there, and the crimpers and wrench. And let's see, it doesn't have the crimpers in the back on this model. Okay, so let's open it up this way and go to the tools. There's a on both sides. This side is millimeters. This side is regular numbers for a ruler. And with these tools, you have these little pull-outs. You have to pull them out with your fingers. It's got these little ridges. See the ridge right there? You can see that. And that comes out, and it's got tools you interchange. It's got a tool there, and it's got a can opener, and that's the other tool it has for the side. So there's only two tools on this side, and I'll show you this side over here. It's got a little bit more tools. It's got a regular screwdriver. It's got a fine screwdriver for like eyeglasses, which it comes with a second one, and you can turn this around and it has a Phillips on the other side, so if you can see that. And then it's got good old scissors. Let's put these in there like that. It's got scissors to cut. You need to cut something like thread or something like that, or whatever. Nice pair of scissors, nice and sharp. And when you put these back in, you have to put that up like that, okay, and then put it in. So closing them, since I adjusted this, it's a little bit easier to open and close now. When you first get these, they need to be adjusted, like I showed you in another video. So there's the titanium, says it right there. This is the Leatherman Charge Titanium. Let's go to the case. The case in the back, it comes with, you can get this extra clip belt, and that fits on the tool itself. It clips in where that little round ring is, that pops out, and this pops in. And it comes with all types of bits, okay, and you got all assortment of bits. And there's an extra tool bit. This is the Phillips head one, which I said. And I made a saw for it. This model does not come with a saw, but I took one of the bits and filed the bit down to fit it in so I could wedge a saw in to use a saw. saw on it if I wanted to, but I mean the tool has a saw, so I don't have to worry about that, but I thought it was a cool idea to do. Let's get back to the case. I bought a Victorinox. You can get this on eBay or on Amazon. That's a sharpening rod, and they work very well. I'm telling you right now, and that fits right into your case, right next to your driver. This is a long driver that fits on the tool, and fits on this part of the tool right here. You take that out, you stick this in, then you put your bit driver on there like that. Okay, like that. So that's a neat option if you need to reach somewhere inside, you know, in reach. This is, so yes, closing it or opening it, I just got hurt. I put a band-aid on. I don't know why it's stuck like that, but so getting back to the tools, so we're up to that, and on the other side you got a little flashlight holder, and this is a flashlight by LED Lenser. It's a nice little flashlight. It fits right into the side here of the case, and just fits right nice in the side of the case. And you got your sharpening steel, and these two pieces. This piece goes down like this in the back, and you slip that in there like so in the back, and you can fit this little piece in here like that. And I believe the tool goes in this way. You got to really shove it in. I mean, it's still pretty new, the case. I had this in another case. It hasn't really taken shape yet. You just shove it in there like that, all the way down until it bottoms out. And you close it up. There's a lot of pressure here to close up. If you don't get these tools exactly in and all the way down, it won't snap closed. Like that. So there's the charged titanium with all its accessories. This you have to buy separately. The light, okay, the LED Lenser, and you have to buy the steel separately. And the case is now, I believe the case now is Velcro. So I don't know if you can still get these leather cases. So that's the video for today. I hope you're having a good day, a safe day, and I hope you subscribe and rate my videos. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.